we are going to be unboxing the XVX M75 wireless mechanical keyboard. So let's see what's inside. User manual. We have the M75 mechanical keyboard with the heart-shaped keycaps that are clear. Also included is keycap remover, a USB-A to USB-C cable, and some replacement parts in case you do not like this clear cap heart shape. You can change them back into the original keycap. The M75 feels slightly heavier compared to my G915 keyboard by Logitech. Then we have the two different heights for the keyboard. The on and off switch, where you connect the USB cable, and the USB adapter, or the dongle. Right now, we're going to set it up for wired mode using the included USB-A to USB-C cable. And you're going to press the function key and the number 5. It's going to flash that it's going into the wired mode. And now it is in wired mode. Now it has 3 channels of Bluetooth. We're going to have channel 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to press the function key. So you can push function 1, maybe that one goes to your computer, or maybe function 2 goes to your laptop, or maybe you want to connect it to your phone. You're going to go through the whole Bluetooth setup on your device to connect it to Bluetooth. And if you want to connect to wireless mode using the wireless receiver, the USB-A dongle, the adapter here, connect it to your computer or your laptop. And once it's connected, you're going to push function key and 4, and it's going to pair with this device. And depending on your device, if you are using Windows, you're going to push function W so that it functions more for the Windows device, or you're going to push function A for a Mac device. Now to control the backlight, you can use the function key and the arrow keys. Up will make it brighter, and then that lets us know that we went all the way we could, which is only like four levels of brightness. Now we can push down 1, 2, 3, 4. Lets us know that we went as far as we could of the lights. So that's the current speed, and we want to slow it down. So that's as far as we can go. To the left for the slow, to the right we can make it go faster. And another way to control the keyboard is to use this dial here, which you can turn or press to change the lighting. And as you're cycling through, you can get to control the brightness. Now if you want to change the color, you're going to press function delete. You can control the lights on the side, which are on the left and right side, by pressing function and control together. Then you can look at the battery level by pressing function and alt. Lets us know that it's about 90%. You can turn the backlight off and on by pressing function and backspace. And they recommend that you charge the keyboard using a low voltage device like a computer's USB, or a device that doesn't charge over 5 watts at a time. Right now we are in Windows mode for the keyboard, which again is function key W, and you can control certain things depending on the setup that you have with your computer or laptop. You can control the brightness by pressing function F1 or F2. F1 makes the screen brightness go down, and F2 makes the screen brightness go up. Then if you want to open the calculator, you can press Function and the F3. If you want to open File Explorer, you're going to press Function F4. If you want to open the media player, Function F5. Then if you're playing some music, you can go to the previous track by pressing Function F6. If you want to go to the next track, Function F7. If you want to play or pause what you're listening to, you're going to press Function F8. Then if you want to stop playback, you can press Function F9. Then you can mute or unmute the device by pressing Function F10. Then you can control the computer's volume by pressing Function F11 to lower the volume and F12 to increase the volume. Then putting the keyboard in Mac mode, you're going to press Function A. And the keys are a little bit different, but you can press Function F1 to control the screen brightness, decrease, and F2 to increase. Then if you want to launch Mission Control, it'd be Function F3. Then Launchpad will be Function F4. Then play the previous track, you're going to press Function F7. To play or pause, you're going to press Function 8. Then go to the next track, you're going to press Function 9. Mute the system, F10. Then to control the volume is F11 and the function key. To go down and to increase the volume, F12 and the function key. And that has been the short setup for the M75 wireless mechanical keyboard.